Welcome to Entertainment News Live with Cassie Soar, Sam Urit, Joe Sasquatch, who seems to be missing, and field reporter Jessica Kink.
We have a breaking news pandemic here, people. Right now, it is gripping the soul of the nation and the hearts of the civilians.
That's right, Cassie. The Medical Research Society, or MRS, has suggested that we stay home, only leaving the house when absolutely necessary.
We have a reporter in the field right now. It's Jessica Kink. We would like to remind everyone who's watching that she is a trained professional, and please do not venture into the public because it's not a very safe idea. She knows what she's doing and she knows how to stay careful. So, Jessica, you're on.
Thank you, Cassie. I was just about to head in, but as you can see behind me, it has caused a big impact on these people. This ailment has become more serious than we thought. All these people are afraid of just visual contact affecting them and having them get the ailment. The MRS has stated that people should be off the streets and they should definitely practice social distancing, at least 12 feet apart, if not more. And they have also demanded that people would avoid eye contact with one another. Back to you.
Wow, Jessica, that was intense. Scientists have provided research that states that this ailment has been around since the beginning of human life. President of the MRS, Daniel Rizzo, has also suggested that going to bed earlier would cut down on the ailment's victims drastically.
One of the biggest problems with this ailment is that it's not like the chickenpox. You can't get immune to it. So if you get it again, you can't just say, hey, I just survived it, no problem, we just did it. No, you can get it multiple times.
So people really should be afraid of this thing because we can't just make a vaccine for it if there's no immunity to it. It'll just keep coming back.
Yeah. So we've looked at the invasiveness of this. Now let's look at the name that people are trying to call it. Jessica?
Well, Cassie, people have been calling it the...
Oh, I'm really sorry.
I'm really sorry. I was busy.
Busy? Busy doing what? This is the news. We're giving people the facts. We're giving them something to be afraid of. What could be more important than that?
I was sitting at blank, eating pizza with my friends, and drinking Coca-Cola. It was really awesome, except I think I went off my alarm.
You could have the ailment. You could be a victim.
What ailment?
Haven't you been listening to this entire report? This is the pandemic of the century. Joe, you gotta go. Go home. Go get some rest. You have it. The ailment. Yawning. Great going, Joe. Now you got all of us to have this ailment.
Not to mention everybody who was watching.
Look at the camera guy. Don't look at the camera guy. Ooh.
This news isn't even worth mentioning. It's even worse.